It looks like it's coming right from my scalp. Like, girl, wig wear. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another exciting video for you guys. Today I'm going to be doing a wig review on this unit. It is a UPART wig from NiaWigs. Shout outs to them for sending me over this unit. It is so beautiful. I'm going to give you guys the full rundown on the hair, how I like it, how I install it, all that good stuff. So let's just get right on into the video. Okay, so this wig is a 18-inch UPART wig in the Yaki straight texture from NiaWigs. First, let's talk about the packaging. The packaging is bomb. It comes in a really cute black and gold box. I'll have the footage on the screen. There's a little dust bag that the wig comes in. It comes with a brush. It comes with bobby pins. The packaging is super duper cute, and I love when brands take the time to focus on the packaging because I feel like it's a part of the overall experience. I appreciate that. I love great packaging. I feel like most people feel like that when something comes in some bomb packaging, it makes you want to order from them again so that you could just experience it all over again. But other than that, the hair came really nice. I washed it, blow dried it, all that good stuff, and then I went ahead to install it. So let's move right on into the install. Okay, so let's put the wig on. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So this is what the wig looks like. I took my time and I straightened it. I will insert the clip of what it looked like before I straightened it, if I can find it. And I think I did a pretty good job at straightening this hair. I don't know if you guys are familiar with like Yaki straight hair or kinky straight hair. Sometimes it has like these crinks in it, but they look so much better. The hair is super soft. It's nice and thick. So let's see what we can do with this. Okay, so first things first, I have to prep my natural hair. So let's see what we can do. You guys haven't seen my natural hair in a while. It's still here. It's still kicking, you feel me? So I'm gonna take my natural hair and I'm going to put it all in like a low ponytail, and that's just how I'm gonna wear it under this. So let's see. I'm gonna part out the section of hair that we're gonna leave out, and I'm gonna try to keep this rather small because I don't think we need to leave a lot of hair out. And I'm just looking over at my mirror, and I'm using my widow's peak as a reference because I'm gonna part it on both sides of my widow's peak. So let's just, for instance, let's keep it like right here. So this is just gonna go over to this side. You guys can see the front of my hair is growing out rather nicely. I don't know if you guys knew, but this whole front piece of my hair was broken off. And as you guys can see, it's growing. So eventually it'll grow to reach the same length as the back, and then we'll be back in business. But yeah, so let's go ahead and section this. And I'm not putting too much product in my hair because I don't want to really use any gel or anything for this style, because I feel like I should be able to achieve this look without applying anything. Okay, so this is about how much hair I think we're gonna leave out. So I'm gonna tie the hair up in the back just like this, and I'm just gonna put it in a little half bun, and that's how I'm gonna wear it under the wig. And like I said, this is how much hair I have out. I hope this is centered, but I think it is. Now that that's done, we can go ahead and see if we have enough hair out. So this is what the construction of the wig looks like. There's a couple combs here at the top. There's 2 on the sides and 1 at the nape of the neck. So let's go ahead and put this on. I'm gonna place this back one first. Hopefully that was a good placement. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pull the sides and secure those combs into my edges. Then the nape of my neck. Now that we've done that, we can go ahead and secure the front of the hair. Clip it just like this. I'm just gonna comb the hair out before I go ahead and flat iron it, and then we'll do the other side. Just want to adjust the combs, make sure your placement is good. So far so good. Now let's go ahead. My hair is already straightened, as you guys can see. I straightened it a couple days ago when I tried the wig on for the first time. So we're just gonna, and it's a little bit oily, so we're just gonna try to create a middle part and make this look as natural as possible, and just comb the hair over. And as you guys can see, I honestly might not even need to straighten it that much because it is blending in quite well. Whoops. Trying to get a good middle part. I think that looks good. And then you just want to make sure you're covering up that back piece. So I do that. And honestly, you guys, it's already looking really good. But I'm going to show you guys how I make it blend even better. So now that my hair is blended on top, I'm gonna take this piece right here. So I'm gonna flat iron it together. And my flat iron is on 310 degrees, so it's not super hot. My natural hair is really fine, so I don't need to use super high heat. So 310 degrees is just fine. And as you guys can tell, look at that. What wig, babe? What wig? The color is slightly off. And when I say slightly, very, very slightly. You could barely tell where my hair begins and where the wig ends. I mean, you could barely tell where my natural hair ends and the wig begins. But all in all, I think it looks really, really good. So let's just make sure this side is nice and straight. Ooh, wait, let me move this. Okay, so that side looks really, really good. Let's go ahead and do the other side same way. Like I said, I previously straightened my hair the other day, so it doesn't need much. It just needs a little bit of polish just to finish off the look. Okay, you guys, so this is what the hair looks like. Super duper cute, nice and quick and easy. Like, it takes no time to get this hair looking laid and slayed, and I love that about it. It looks really natural. It looks like it's coming right from my scalp. Like, girl, wig wear. It matches my hair really, really well. I hope you guys can tell. I hope my lights aren't blowing up my spot, you feel me? But I think it looks really, really, really cute. I'm looking at my mirror and I am just really impressed with how this turned out. I think the hair is really great quality. It's super soft, it's nice and thick. This is not a thin wig. Like, if I show you guys, like, this is a lot of hair and it's thick from root to tip. The ends are not straggly. They have a nice density to them. Honestly, it gives me sew-in vibes. Like, this looks like how my hair used to be when I used to get a sew-in. So I'm really, really happy with it. I think the hair quality is really great. I've already washed, straightened, blow dried it, and the hair still looks really, really bomb. It's low luster, so it does match my hair. I have that problem a lot with some wigs where the luster of the hair is too high for it to ever look like my hair. I do not have like super silky, shiny hair. I have more of a coarse, fine stranded type of hair, so the luster is definitely not as high, and I think it makes it so much easier to blend because the hair isn't super shiny like doll hair. The only thing that I would say about this hair is that it does take a lot of heat and a lot of effort to get the crinkles out of this hair to make it look natural. So the only thing that I would change about this hair is honestly for it to come bone straight. Like, I don't know, I know that like the crinkles are supposed to like mimic what our natural hair looks like, but like whose natural hair has crinkles in it? I don't see anybody who has crimps in their natural hair. I think they did a pretty good job, but I wish I didn't have to take so much time going in and flat ironing it and flat ironing it again and like really working on it to get the kinks out. And honestly, if you get really close, you can still see some of them, but I think all in all, I did a pretty good job at getting it straight. I'm trying to think of what else I can tell you guys about this. I think it looks really good. Wait, let me stand up a little so you guys can see. So this is what the ends look like. Nice and full, they're not straggly. I can't stop touching my hair because I just love how it looks. It just looks so silky and nice and smooth, and I can't wait to take pictures of this hair. The first time I tried it out, I didn't like it, and I think it's because I didn't take the time to go in and really straighten the whole entire wig. It comes out so much better if you take the time to do that. So make sure before you wear it, you give it a good flat iron. Don't try to do it like how I did it, like quick and not take your time. Take your time, do really small sections, and you will be able to get the crinkles out of the hair. If the crinkles are something that bothers you and like the time and effort that it takes to get them out, if that's something that bothers you, definitely check out the silky straight hair. I think I saw one other young lady try that wig on her YouTube channel. If I could find it, I'll link it down below so that you guys can kind of gauge if you think your natural hair would match the silky straight rather than the Yaki straight. So if you guys are on the market for a UPART wig, definitely check out NiaWigs because they might have did something, okay? I might be wearing this a lot more often because it's giving natural, and I've been really feeling the natural vibes lately. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss an upload. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.